Okay, it's Wednesday, 3rd of February, at the completion of, or close to the completion of lockup, and I just want to check out these boards. Like, a lot of these boards have like over 5mm gaps under them, and I don't know if you can see like how much that slaps. Lots of these boards have big gaps under them. I mean, you know, some of these ones are kind of sitting okay. I mean, that's still, you know, still like a lot of movement there. This is like highly, you know, wind exposed directly off the ocean, and it also leaves quite a lot of room, like for insects and whatnot to get in. Like, is this normal? Like, is this the way this product's meant to work? Like, yeah, for some reason, particularly the top boards, you know, it gets, you know, that gap there's probably about 8mm. Yeah, just want some advice really on whether this is how this is expected to be installed. A lot of these ones are a bit tighter. But yeah, look, it just concerns me that, you know, in the absence of base nailing, that a lot of these kind of, you know, are hanging pretty loose. So it just concerns me that in the breeze that they will be susceptible to movement and ultimately, you know, cracking. So yeah, just really want some product guidance here on whether this installation is correct. Thanks.